Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today I created these three beautiful and beginner friendly eyeshadow looks using the Makeup Revolution iconic Vitality. If you want to see how I created each of these looks, then please just keep on watching. So for look number one, I'm using a cool tone brown and blending that into my crease with a Color 311 eyeshadow brush, and I'm slowly building up that product. And then going in with a clean fluffy brush and I'm diffusing the edges a little. Then taking a champagne shade on a Sarette flat eyeshadow brush and I'm placing it all over my brow bone as well as my inner corner. Then taking the more warmer brown on a Sarette eyeliner brush, I'm creating a thin line on my lash line, and this will just frame the eyes nicely. I'm also going to create a little wing. This is a very nice technique if you are a beginner and want to practice doing a wing without using liquid liner. Then applying a thin coat of mascara so that it can blend in with my false lashes, or the Ardell Wispies in black, my favorite. Then going back and covering that lash band with the same brown shade, making sure everything is nice and blended. I'm then going in with that cool tone brown again, and I'm blending it all over my lower lash line. And that is the quick and easy look number one. Moving on to look number two, I'm using that brown mustardy shade on a fluffy angled brush, and I'm placing that a little bit above my eye crease and blending it all the way to my inner corner, but keeping most of the product on the outer half of my eye. And then I'm going in with a lighter orangey brown shade on a more dense fluffy brush, and I'm placing that into the eye crease. Then using a vibrant coppery orange shade on an angled eyeshadow brush, I'm focusing it mostly on the outer V. Using that champagne gold shade on a flat shader brush, I am placing that on my inner third of my eye, almost like a cut crease but without cutting the crease. Then taking a clean fluffy brush, I am just diffusing that line a little bit. And then I'm just going to go back and forth with the copper orangey shade as well as that champagne shade just to get my desired look. I'm going to use a more fluffier brush to dust away any fallout that I might have. And then I'm just placing a thin coat of mascara on my lashes. I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Protein Mascara. And I'm also applying that same Ardell Wispies. I will also link a video on how to apply lashes if you guys are interested. With that same champagne golden shade on a flat shader brush, I am placing it all over my brow bone and my inner corner. And that is look number two complete. Then moving on to the last look, I'm going in with a bright magenta shade on a Sarette flat shader brush, and I'm packing that color all over my lid. I also just placed a little bit of baking powder underneath my eyes to catch any fallout. And then I'm going in and blending the edges with a fluffy eye blending brush. Then I'm going in with that bright rusty orangey shade, and I'm placing that in my crease or just above my eyelid, and I'm making sure I'm going all the way into that inner corner. Then using a fluffy brush to blend out the edges a little and making sure it is seamless. Then I'm reapplying the magenta shade and blending and repeating the process once more. Then using the lightest warm brown shade, I'm blending that up to my brow bone, and this will just create a nice ombre eyeshadow look. Then I'm using a very tiny concealer brush, and I'm placing a lavender highlight shade on my inner corners, dusting away any fallout that I might have with a bigger, fluffier brush. I'm using a flat liner brush and dipping into a diffused purple, and here you can see there was a little bit of fallout, so I just used that same powder brush to dust it off. I'm then tilting my head down and then stamping that purple all along the lash line. And going in with mascara and the same lashes. Then for my lower lashes, I'm using the same crease shade, and I'm just focusing that all over my lower lash line. And that is the final look. Let me know down in the comments what look you would rock, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button. Click the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.